Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basics. Make sure your iPhone 13 has the latest iOS and you have either a carrier QR code or activation code. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. If you're switching from a physical SIM, leave the physical SIM in place until eSIM activates. This prevents dropped service. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or have cellular data, because the phone will contact your carrier to validate the eSIM profile. Next, scan the QR code your carrier provided or choose Enter Details manually and type the SMDP plus address and activation code. Once the profile appears, assign a label like primary or secondary so you can manage line use. This matters for messages and data priority. Tap Continue and let the phone download the eSIM. It may take a minute. If prompted, choose which line is used for cellular data and which is default for iMessage and FaceTime to avoid conflicts. To finish, verify the new plan shows under Cellular, choose your default line for calls and data, and restart the iPhone to solidify network registration. Make sure cellular data is enabled for the line you selected and adjust roaming settings if you travel. If the eSIM doesn't activate, toggle airplane mode, try re-scanning the QR code, and if that fails, reset network settings or contact your carrier. Most activation issues come from carrier provisioning rather than the phone itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.